Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do an unboxing and first impressions of 3 watches from Submariner. So it's a triple unboxing, which is potentially a first for the channel because I don't think I actually ever done more. I don't think I actually unboxed more than 2 watches in one go, but I am super excited. They sent 3 watches from the AliExpress platform. I was sent a list to choose some watches for future videos. I have a vague idea what's in these boxes, but I am not entirely sure. So as of a disclaimer, I don't have to return these watches. They have been sent to me for the purpose of this video and for the purpose of reviewing them. So bear that in mind as the video goes along. Now I have taken the watches out of the cardboard boxes. I haven't gone beyond this point, so I don't know what's in any of these boxes. Like I was saying, I have a vague idea, but they haven't been confirmed. Now, let's get into these things and have a look at, because I am super excited. And again, I don't know which is which. So which one should we start with? Should we start with Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo, or any? It doesn't matter. Let's go the middle. I'm hitting the camera. So let's put these two on side there. I'm hitting the camera again. And, oh, which one can this be? Should we take a guess? Oh, this is the 62 Musk Chrono. Oh, this is very nice. And that was a very, very squeaky voice. Now, guys, some of these, these haven't been sized, and I won't spend the time to size them up for my wrist because I don't want to make this video super, super long. Guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I do have the Black Bay Chrono homage with the Seagull ST19 movement. Again, I don't know off the top of my head what the specs and the reference numbers will be for these watches. I'll put them into the description box below with some affiliate links, and also in the description box below you can find a coupon code, I think is George's, that'll take $20 off with every $200 spent on AliExpress. It's still valid, but enough waffling. Oh my god. So this is the 62 Musk homage. This is the one that I requested. So it is a 62 Musk Chrono homage, and this is, guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, this looks so good. So as you can see here, this has this kind of like gunmetal, dark, charcoaly gray dial. Does that bezel turn? Yes, it does turn. Now, to be quite honest, I don't see why you'd have... Actually, no, you would. Oh, that looks so good. That bezel is stainless steel. Now, you have male end links, so the lug-to-lug will be kind of long, but I don't care. Now, I want to see if this thing actually lives. So, screw down crown. Very good. Let's wind it up. And it lives. Beautiful. Oh my god, guys, this looks so good. Leave it to Submariner to do something like this. So, case back is sterile. Very good. There's the chronograph hand work. It aligns decent enough. With the previous one that I had an issue. The chronograph hand, no, that did align. The subdial, the hand and the subdial of the 3 didn't align properly. This one aligns properly. It ticks, it lives. This is beautiful. Now let's try that chronograph hand. Oh, the click is so satisfying. This is amazing. This is such a good looking piece. Very, very nice. The chronograph hand ticks. Does it reset? Yes, it does. Seagull ST19, 100 meters water resistance, screw down crown. That is beautiful. And the bracelet has a different kind of finish. So it's not the typical Submariner bracelet. Again, I won't spend too much time peeling stickers. If they won't come off, they won't come off. This is also nice because we have 3 watches to go through. That is a relatively new bracelet. Very, very nice, guys. Very nice. The Submarine clasp, double pushers to release. It's a bit chunkier than what I remember. Oh, that's so good looking. I'm actually gonna, oh, speaking of which, I am wearing my Steinhardt Ocean 39. I did an unboxing for this not too long ago. Stick around, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss reviews for this and any of these watches in the boxes. They will come in very, very soon because I have to post videos of these because I'm super excited. This looks so good. Now let's take this off and just put this on wrist really quick and see how it looks like. It's going to be, feel free to skip around, guys, if the video is too long because we have 3 watches to go through. Even if that is a longer lug to lug with male end links, that still suits. It falls really low. Oh my god, that looks so good. And it has such a unique looking case. Well, the case is 62 Moss, but it has such a unique look to it. That stainless steel bezel. Oh, I'm spending too much time on this. This is amazing. Now, that's one of the 3, guys. Let's put this on the side here. Okay, which one? So this was the 62 Moss. I'm not going to go through any of these boxes because you know yourself, you have at the bottom here, you have the tags, you have the pin removal tool, and a screwdriver, because Submarine usually send a lot of tools with these things. What is the second one now? What is this? So it could be either one of 2. Oh yes. So this is the one that they actually, one of the this they confirmed. So this is a PT5000 movement. This is the vintage Tudor Submariner homage, if I'm not mistaken. Again, I'll put links down below if you guys want to check these out. I could have taken this out a lot easier, but why would I? And this is a lot smaller than I expected it to be. It ticks, it lives. Yes, it is the PT5000. The usual Submarine bracelet with the female end links on this one. Drilled lugs. Oh, this is so good. Obviously, we have to check first the bezel action because it does tick. No back play. Nope. No, actually, there's no back play at all. Oh, that's beautiful. That's so thin. Oh, this is surprisingly nice, guys. Screw down crown. Very good. It winds. PT5000 is a bit loud, but there's no issues with that there. Screws in nicely. Crown guards, nice and small. This has such a small look to it. Same Submarine, beautiful bracelet. I'm not going to take that off because you know how that looks. We've seen it on all the other watches. And again, that sits nice and flat on the wrist. Relatively small, I would say. Let me check that next to the Steinhardt because this is probably going to go in a head-to-head video with this. This is probably the best time to kind of have an idea and compare them together. They're going to go head-to-head on bracelets. Like, as it stands, the clasp on the Submarine, I'm not going to go through any of these reviews right now, but the clasp on the Submarine is slightly better than the one on the Steinhardt. I'll give you that. But they're very close, guys. They are very close. So that is the second watch. And third is this guy here. This one is, yes it is, this one, again, I don't know the reference number for this, but this is, I want to say this is the Helm homage. They call it a vintage diver of some sort, but this is a, for the people that are familiar with Helm watches, the Vanuatu, I think this is a homage to that. Air coating, it ticks nicely. From what I can tell here, the seconds, oh no, it has a brush finish to it. That's why it looks a bit, I'll check this out afterwards. ceramic bezel insert, but the second hand looks a bit unfinished. Maybe it's just me from this angle. I can't tell it, the way the light hits it. Now let's check the bezel. It's a bit ratchety, not as good as the other ones, I'll give you that. It's still solid, very solid, but it's a bit more hollow, and it aligns nicely. Printed logo, and for this one I actually have to say that the logo suits it. Polished on the on the sides of the case. Engineered bracelet. It's actually very nice bracelet. Let's check out the crown. Now, to my knowledge, this should have a Myota movement in it. Let me check. Oh, it does? Heck. That's impressive. No, yeah. So there's a ghost position here as well, as you can hear. 1, 2. So it does hack, yes. And it hand winds also. Interesting. Yeah, so this has a Myota movement according to the, I'm not 100% sure of the specs on this. 8315. Yep, so I think this one is the Myota 8315 that hacks and hand winds. And normally, as far as I know, these shouldn't, but they do have a version that does hack, and this one is it. But you also have that ghost position. It's okay, not the end of the world, but Myota is still a decent movement. One of the issues with these things was the fact that it didn't hack, but okay, who is complaining? Yeah, this is actually very nice. Bracelets, yeah, Submariner make decent bracelets, don't they? Yeah, that was it, guys. Now let me see how this looks on wrist. Whoops. Now I need to take a lot of links out of this one out, but again, I think this one is 40 millimeters in diameter, but it still sits so well. It's all due to the way that Submariner makes these bracelets. Very nice. Very, very nice, guys. Now, let me just put these away so we can get a nice shot of these three guys together. Yeah, guys. I have to say the thing that impressed me the most so far is this, because I saw this and I was looking forward to get it, and I was expecting the dial to be a bit darker, but expectation versus reality, much better. Reality, much better. I mean, that dial, the color on that dial works with, so the gunmetal gray works really well with the bezel insert, metallic, very, very nice. I'm loving this. And also this is a lot smaller than I expected it to be. Again, the video is going into, we're into 13 minutes now. So I do apologize for the delay, guys, but we did have 3 watches that we needed to go through. And this, again, such a safe watch. I'll take a closer look, just have a look at the seconds hand there, ticking along, because the way the light hits it, it looks that it's a bit unpolished properly, but I think that's the way the hands are. But I will take a closer look because I cannot see it at the moment. But yeah, guys, let me just put this on the hand like that. There you go. So, Submariner triple unboxing, guys. Be sure to stick around, click a like, subscribe to the channel, and like I said, if you don't want to miss future videos, these will be coming out very, very soon for review. So stick around, guys. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, and thanks for listening to me waffle about watches. Bye now.